Running a retreat is all about creating amazing experiences, right? But getting the word out there, well, that's another story. If you're feeling overwhelmed by marketing, especially when you hear the terms like AI, you're in the right place. So today we're going to break down what AI is and how it can actually help you fill those retreat spots without feeling like a tech wizard. And if doing it yourself is overwhelming, I have updated my marketing audit to include an AI section so you come away with clear, actionable steps and remove the overwhelm. There's more details later on in the video. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Tiffany and I'm an online marketing strategist and systems creator. On this channel, I share all my best tips and strategies for marketing retreats. So if you're a health and wellness professional offering retreats, make sure you subscribe below. So what is AI anyway? Well, simply put, it's like giving computers the ability to learn and solve problems like humans do. Think of it as a super smart assistant that can help you with all sorts of tasks. Don't think robots taking over the world. AI is just a software, another tool to make our lives easier, we hope. You're probably already even using it. For example, Google uses AI to give you the best search results, and they've been doing that for years. And Netflix uses AI to recommend what shows to watch based on your previous views. Now, why should you, as a retreat owner, care about AI? Well, AI can seriously boost your marketing efforts, and think of it this way. AI can save you time in creating content and suggest ideas and copy for your website and social media, which is generally a drag. AI-powered ads will target the right people at the right time, maximizing your budget. Basically, AI can help you get more bookings, save time, and make your marketing more effective, all while letting you focus on what you love, and that's creating amazing retreat experiences. Okay, now it's time to get practical. Here's some real examples of how AI is being already used in the wellness and hospitality industries right now. Number one, AI-powered social media tools. Tools like SocialBee can suggest content ideas based on what's trending, write captions for you, and even schedule your post. And this means you can stay active on social media without spending hours every day glued to your phone. If budget is an issue, you can simply use ChatGPT to create your first draft of your posts, but you'll probably need some time editing afterwards. But it does save some time brainstorming ideas and breaking through the writer's block that you probably experienced by now. And number two, AI-driven email marketing. Imagine struggling with what to write in your emails or staring at a blank screen trying to come up with a catchy subject line. Well, with AI, those days are now over. AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity will help you brainstorm the subject lines and write engaging content for your potential guests. I always recommend, though, that whatever ChatGPT and Perplexity and all these other tools give you, that you need to spend some time tailoring it to the way you speak, the way you come across, so that it is more personal. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to write 5 catchy subject lines for an upcoming yoga and meditation retreat focused on stress relief. You can then ask ChatGPT to write the engaging email based on the benefits of yoga and meditation for stress professionals, highlighting your upcoming retreat. This means you can create personalized and persuasive emails faster than ever before, nurture leads, and turn prospects into happy retreat attendees. And number three, AI chatbots for customer service. Think about having a chatbot on your website that can answer common questions 24/7. This frees you up to focus on running your retreat while still providing excellent customer service. One I tend to use is Tidio, but there's many out there. Tidio is budget friendly and has AI chatbots as a feature. Now, before you get carried away thinking AI can do everything for you, let's talk about something really important. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. The output you get from AI can often be pretty generic, so it's more important than ever that you let your authentic self shine through. And how do you do this? Authenticity, vulnerability, and that human touch become even more important than ever before. So please don't just rely on AI to do everything for you, or you will end up blending into the background and disappearing amongst everybody else. You need to showcase the people behind your retreats, the instructors, the chefs, the healers. Share your unique story, your values, and your passion for wellness. Film your videos showing your face, quirks and all. Show retreat attendees how much of a special time they are having. Let people connect with you, and that is the only way to stand out in this crowded space. Ultimately, your retreat is about creating a transformative experience, and that experience is built on human connection. So use AI to enhance your marketing, but never let it replace your genuine self. Want to know exactly how AI can help your retreat business and what implications it has in your overall marketing strategy? Well, I've updated my online marketing audit and strategy offer with a dedicated AI section. Carrying out an audit of your online marketing efforts is the best way to get a clear overview of current performance, diagnose any key issues, and shine a spotlight on areas for growth and improvement. During this audit, we'll look at your current marketing efforts and pinpoint areas where AI can make a real difference and save you time. We explore tools for targeted advertising, content creation, email campaigns, and customer service, all personalized to your unique needs. After the audit, you'll receive a clear, actionable plan to make your marketing smarter, more efficient, and more impactful. So there you have it. AI doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It's simply a tool that can help you share your amazing retreat experiences with more people. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works for you. If you would like to identify your marketing blocks and the ways AI can assist your efforts, then click the link in the description below to get in touch. Thanks for watching.